Today I'm going to show you how to transfer PayPal to a linked bank account. I'll also go over fees and some secret tips and tricks. Let's dive right in. Launch the PayPal app and log in if you're not already signed in. From the main screen, tap the wallet icon at the bottom right. Tap Add Banks and Cards, choose the type of account you want to add, and search for your bank. Follow the prompts and enter your login details. Now once your bank account is linked, go back to the main screen and tap your PayPal balance. Tap Transfer at the bottom of the balance screen, then tap Transfer Money. Choose your transfer method. The standard transfer takes 1 to 3 business days, but is free. Instant transfers transfer immediately, but there's a 1.5% fee with a minimum of $0.25 and a maximum of $15. Ensure you've selected the correct bank account to transfer to. Tap Transfer Now to initiate the process. Now here are some key tips and best practices. Ensure your bank is correctly linked. Double check the information when linking your bank account to avoid delays or transfer issues. Standard transfers take 1 to 3 business days. Plan ahead for larger transfers or when you don't need funds immediately. Instant transfers can be helpful in emergencies, but always factor in the fee when transferring larger amounts. PayPal may have transfer limits depending on your account type and location. Make sure to know these limits, especially when transferring large sums. You can look them up on the PayPal official website. If you're entering correct bank details, this can delay or result in failed transfers. Double check your information during the setup process. Even though instant transfers are supposed to be immediate, there might be rare delays depending on your bank. Always check your transfer status in the app if the money doesn't appear right away. Keep in mind that banks may not process standard transfers on weekends or holidays, which could extend the 1 to 3 day window. If you're not in a rush, always opt for the standard transfer to avoid fees. PayPal offers detailed tracking for your transactions, including an estimated time for completion. Use this feature to keep tabs on your transfers. Linking multiple bank accounts can offer flexibility if one bank has issues or if you're transferring different currencies. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.